Fiqh al-hawatif, the fiqh of calling the person. This is very important, ikhwani. Because I keep telling the person when he calls me. As soon as I call a person, another person says, Salaamu Alaikum, because he knows it's me who's calling him. Comes with my name. That's not right. The person, when you call another person, the other person, even if he knows who you are, should say yes. And then you say, Assalamu Alaikum. So the person who's calling is the one who say Salam. It's like when you knock on the door of someone. When you knock on the door of someone, the person who's inside the house, does he say Assalamu Alaikum from inside? He would say yes, or who it is. You would say, me, Assalamu Alaikum. Do you understand me? So Assalamu Alaikum is the one who's knocking. I am now ringing. I'm the one who's knocking. I am the one who says Assalamu Alaikum. Don't make it confused. I ring the person, he says Assalamu Alaikum. No. He said, wait, yes, I would say Assalamu Alaikum. If you ring me, I will say to you, yes, you initiate the Salam, Assalamu Alaikum. That's called Fiqh al-Hatif. The understanding of how to answer the call. You might be smiling, but we learned that from Sheikh Albani, rahimahullah. From those little things, makes a difference. You might not find it in a book, this one. You don't find it in a book. You take it from the scholars. Rahimahullah, the scholars. Assalamu Alaikum.